Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I will show you how to make your text appear in two lines in CapCut. It's super easy and it's a great way to make your text more readable. Let's get started. The first step is to open your project in CapCut. Go to the text menu at the bottom and tap Add Text. And the next thing is to type out what you want to say. To make your text appear in two lines, simply tap Enter or Return on your keyboard to add a line break. This will split your text into two lines. Once you have your two-line text, you can adjust its position, size and style. Tap on the text box to move it around, resize it or customize the font and color. And that's it guys, you've created two-line text in CapCut. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe and enjoy editing. See you next time. Bye bye.